Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on gold, and this is the first week of the year 2022 and our first tracking for the year actually. So this is Monday, the 3rd of January 2022, and here is we're about going into a couple of hours before the London session, and here's our tracking. So what are we expecting on gold going forward this week? As you can see, what's playing out right here. So gold finally breaks through 1815 last week. As we saw it, we finally closed here for the year. What am I expecting right now? Two things. Price would, sorry, I have to take this out. This is from last week. So I have to be clear here. Price would probably come back here on this lower time frame, 4 hours over here. Price would come to pick up orders here on this zone here, probably rejection and then continue bullish, probably to come finally drop some weeks around here if possible, or just come to, just like in the previous months here in July, July came and dropped a close week here in August, came back here in September, dropped a week and dropped down, broke through here, came back into it. So I'm expecting price to probably reject 1833 region, maybe giving us a double top there and roll down. So on this intraday slash this week, I'm expecting price to probably come back here to pick up orders, come back here to give us a double top, and then probably roll down. Yes, not much to expect here on gold, but just a quick reversal to this point, and then we could see what we'll be able to pick up orders there. And let's see how this goes. Let's slide down to the 1 hour time frame and see what's up. So earlier here on the Asian session, so this is what we have, a quick rejection of these zones. So I might join the counter trend trendy if price could just drop a little bit, come back here and give me some more like some reversal candlesticks there, and I'll just hop into gold and see. So here on the 15 minutes time frame for clearer view, price came here to give me a high, broke through it, and gave me some rejections right here. So what am I expecting actually? I might just join if price comes here to give me more like a head and shoulder pattern here, and I'll be lovely to just join. My stop loss 1831, entries around 1827 now. Is it worth it? 30, that's 50 pips. Yeah, it's possible. Just lower my lot size. So that's that on gold. Gold might just roll over to these points, pick up orders, and might just continue bullish to retest these zones, and we'll see what happens then. I'll catch you guys on Wednesday. Enjoy the rest of the week. Ciao. Welcome guys to weekly tracking here on gold. Today's Wednesday, and let's get to it. It was a successful trade here on gold as anticipated. Remember, price was here on Monday when I was analyzing and telling you guys how I want price to just come back to give me a head and shoulder pattern here on gold, and I will ride it down. Stop at 1827, stop loss at 32, and I will ride it over. But I was pretty very much tight on it. Stop loss wasn't up to that point. I was 20 pips or 20 pips stop loss, and I had my take profit around here, as you can see. So right about there, over 3.4 actually. It was around 3.4 because I closed manually. At the close of this, I just decided to close. So it was a beautiful trade though. Listen, you have to make it simple, and that's how it is. All right. So not much here on gold. So let's head on to see what happens going forward. Going forward right here, last week I said we might just be seeing something pretty simple. If price can remain below water. Price broke above water, and then let's see if price can remain above water. Let's see if price can remain below 1815. If price can remain below 1815, then we might just see the continuation of the bearish trend down to 1760 and then 1726 region. All right, yeah, we want to see that. So it depends on, let's see how the day goes. If I switch over to the 4 hours time frame here right now, what am I expecting right here? Cool. What am I expecting right here? I might just be seeing another head and shoulder pattern. You know, that's my favorite pattern right there. Highs, made another high. Price made this high, came here to make a low, break up, made another high here. Price broke back in here. So we see price coming here. So there's a possibility that I might just be seeing a retest of this region. If it gives me a strong rejection at this point, then I might just see price or give me information here. And if we slow down to the 1 hour time frame, we see that that's probably a very strong region where price broke down into this region. So possibility, let's see. And if we pull up our Fibonacci, right it to where we had this, we can see price coming back to this price between 61.8 and 78.6 region. So price giving me a rejection at this region, I might just hop in. Give me a good pattern, I will just hop in. Stop loss just tight, stop loss just above it, and let's see how it works. If it works, then we might be going in for shorts. Otherwise, price might just still wants to come up here to perfect this equal highs here. 1, 2, 3. It came close here, but it's possible price is not always perfect every time. So there's a possibility it will not come back here. But if it does, we might just be expecting something like a double top here, and then price will roll over. Any break of 1833, it closed above it, we might still be considering price wanting to head back to 1867. But my best bet is price about to roll over here. Then if we can draw our imperfect trend line here, we could see a break of it to give us more confluence to go short. Yeah, to go short right there. So 1, 2, 3, a touch of a break of a retest of this region, we might see price balance off. So that's that for now. I'll catch you guys on Friday, and let's see how price plays out. Ciao. Thank you. Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on Gold. And trust me, it's Friday, and listen, price has pretty been smooth. Yeah, smooth. Summary: on Wednesday, if you watched on Wednesday, I said price should give me a head and shoulder pattern right here. Well, what happened? Smoothing over to the 1 hour time frame, you see that price gave me a rejection here. I entered. Did I? Yeah, I entered and I got stopped. I was pretty tight because I was expecting that if price rolled down, then there's a possibility that price will just continue rolling over, which will just give us a perfect head and shoulder pattern right here. But and at the same time, a 61.8 region as well as 50% region. But price didn't do that. It did the second thing I said, that if the price doesn't reject at that point, we will see price come back to give us a double top. Go back to that video, I said it. It will give us a double top and then it will roll back in. And that is exactly what it did over here on the 1 hour. You could see it clearly. It gave a rejection here. Remember, this is the previous head and shoulder pattern we used in taking shorts here. And then price made this and we're expecting price to reject here. It didn't. Now it came here to give us a perfect, more like a double top from the longer time frame perspective, but it's more like a retest of this same head and shoulder pattern region here. And price was dumped. I didn't take the trade, to be honest, because I was trying to sell here. When my trade was out, I felt like it was like the news, so I was feeling like price might just even break the whole of the region. So I left the market, but unfortunately, rejection 1, rejection 2 broke down to give us an evening star. Rejection, and boom, price dropped. If you watch, price also came back to break the trend line, gave us a beautiful retest of this region and continued. So it's Friday and it's not farm payroll, but if you notice the price is pretty much slow. So my bias previously before the market, before the news, is the price rejects more of this region. We might see price continue rolling over, that is breaking 1788 region. But if price doesn't do that today, Friday, I'm expecting, if going into the next week, if price breaks through this region, I'm expecting a retest of this region, and then price will roll over to TP1 1760. Like I've always said, if I put this on the daily time frame, we see our long-term bias. We are expecting price to come here, touch 1760, and then over to 1725. I'll see you guys on Monday. God bless you. Ciao.